I so hate making videos with my laptop. It's like the shittiest looking quality. It looks better when you guys see it, but it looks like pixelated as hell and not in a good like Minecraft way. It's like some old 70s, 60s TV static. You need to move the rabbit ears around and sort that out. I understand a lot of y'all don't know what that means though. So, I'm trying to upload something because of the fact that I legitimately am in this position 99% of each day. Okay, maybe a little less because I have to get my son from the school and then come back. And I was helping a neighbor, making sure their dog and their cat had food in their bowl and water in their bowl that was clean every day, off and on. Other than that, I've been useless as F. I'm not even gonna lie. I have spent a majority of my time on my tablet. And I am absolutely in love with, let me see if I can enlarge it, probably not. Probably unplug it. Oh, I can't. All right. This is my absolute favorite. It is the epic Thunder and Rain. Rainstorm sounds for relaxing, focus, or sleep. And it's 10 hours. It used to be a live stream kind of channel, but who the heck ever these people are, you can see them down there to subscribe. They have every kind of rain. I prefer, probably shut it off while I'm talking to you. I prefer this one. I love when it sounds like there's just a badass storm going on outside because we live in Florida. And in Florida, we get those storms. They're called hurricanes. Or we used to just have rain every afternoon at 3 to 4 p.m. when I was a kid. I don't know why that cycle stopped. I'm not going to bring the whole El Nino, La Nina thing into it. Global warming and all that. I'm not getting into all that. But they have, and I think there's a website. I'm sorry, you guys. I really can't read small print up close at all without. This one says SeriousSleep.com. I know down here there's other ones who, I guess you can copy somebody's stuff and promote it. These are free, but they do have ones you can buy, but there's ones for baby sleeping. And I'm going to say that little pink one over here somewhere. Where's she at? So hard to find, girl. You can't even see her. She's like a ghost. Alright, that little baby, that's just kind of your white noise thing that you use to make your kids go to sleep. But I looked at the comments and almost everybody was like, what kind of wizardry is this? They all liked it. So, a shadow on my underarm, making it look like I got a bunch of hair, like I got buckwheat into there. Anyway, they have ones for the woods. They have, I specifically searched for thunderstorm. But they do have a black screen version as well. If you like to not have light in your room, it does not bother me. So I like the epic thunderstorm one that I showed you guys up top. But I first found this on, where did I put my glasses? Where'd my glasses go? Please give me my glasses. My hair is jacked right now because I've been pulling this scrunchie out slowly and not putting it back in. Anyway, there's a lot of them there apparently. These are users on YouTube. Dream World, Sounds for Sleeping, that's where this one is. I did not find it originally on Relaxing White Noise. I actually found it on Stardust Vibes. Is relaxing sounds, and they have everything from like the ocean, you can hear the waves back and forth, to the woods at night, woods in the daytime, light rain, heavy rain, with thunder, without thunder, black screen. I'm telling y'all, as an insomniac who hasn't had Ambien regularly for years, it works. The problem is it works a little too well, because I'm turning into Rip Van Winkle. I just like to turn it on, relax, and I'm like, it gets my anxiety down, it makes me just woosah, and next thing you know, I fell asleep. So I look at the clock, and it's almost like, excuse me, I had a hiccup. Oh, it's like I got everything in this video. I had like 4 to 5 hours of sleep, or 6 hours of sleep, and I was like, okay, yeah, I should probably get up and let the dogs out. And I'm pretty much useless, so I don't know if it's that I'm that sick with my blood pressure being up and my pulse being up that I needed this sleep and I need to just keep sleeping like this, or if it's just that these little programs work so darn well, and they will put you into a Rip Van Winkle coma, Sleeping Beauty without the coma effect, but off and on, to where I'm pretty much butt-ass useless right now. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel well. I haven't felt well for quite a while now, so I still have the runny, itchy eyes thing going on. I think I mentioned that in the other video. I'm good for about 10 minutes of standing up. Yesterday, I had to walk around my son's school and go do some things, take the scenic route all around the car line and come back, and yeah, I was wet. I mean, sweating. I made it barely into the phone store for them to tell me why my phone only charges when it's off. It will not charge when it's on. Then they try to tell me, oh, your port's damaged. Listen, you damn 20-year-old and you frickin' 17-year-old. I ain't mad at you. But this is the way the bottom of the Samsung Galaxy S5 charger came when you gave it to me. It's not damaged. It's not broken. It just has 2 totally different size chargers that you're able to put in. I personally always use the micro USB, which I guess they call the B version. This little thing. So hard to film on here. There's no zooming. Anyway, I use this because it just goes in one side. That's all I've ever had. That's all they gave me with it. And then one day at Best Buy for $20 instead of the $1 I pay at the dollar store, or $4.90 something cents at Walmart, I got one that fit into both sides of this port at the same time. It's supposed to be this supercharger. It's the one for Samsung. It's specific to this model. That effort didn't work after like a week, so sometimes just save your money and don't try to be specific. I could have gotten 20 of the other kind of charger at the dollar store, and they always work for at least a few months. And if you lose it, oh damn, it was $1. I don't have my cool one up here on the bed because Chase threw it somewhere. It's way over there. But they have all kinds of weird ones that like light up. I'm going to break my rule. I don't have a bra on right now, so I'm trying to be somewhat respectful. I just took off the shirt I had on because I was so freaking hot. Mom thinks that she can save money by keeping the air conditioning on 79 all day and night. But she's the first one to go out and spend like $40 on some darn pears. Anyway, this one, you guys can't see the other tip of it over here, but I like it, but it tends to come apart right here near the edge. So then the colors don't go all the way through it anymore. But the whole cord actually lights up. Neon, whatever color you get. This one's blue. I have another one that was pink. I had a red one. They're very cool. So yeah, you can go to the Dollar Tree and get megatons of cool looking chargers. But I was really pissed off about spending $20 on a specific Samsung charger that didn't even last a month. And it ain't worth me driving 35 minutes sitting in traffic at that to go take it back to Best Buy. And Best Buy is on my shit list, also known as a fecal roster if you want to be polite, because they have a 256 gig card that was in my last tablet that their little tech, who's supposed to be the professional, neglected to say, oh, hey ma'am, this little button thing that pulls out, did you get your card out of there? So you guys never got to see all those videos. And I didn't get to keep all my important family videos, business videos, everything else. Because they made zero effort to locate it, even though they know it's in their warehouse in Texas. Apparently. Got sent back to Amazon anyway. I don't know. It's somewhere over there. They know it's there. God, that shadow looks horrible. It's like my tattoos look better than looking at my armpit. Yeah, that's better. This is a useless video, but we'll just count it as a vlog. Because I don't really have anything else for you right now. My back hurts, my neck hurts, my head hurts. I don't think sleeping on all these broken up schedules is really helping. I feel like I should feel better when I get up, but every time I wake up, I'm like, I'm dying. This is the worst. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe if you found some humor in this. That way, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next episode of Jen Crazy, that's this girl, is coming up. Because I'm random. I've been going on TikTok marathons lately, watching. I have made an account, but honestly, I don't even know what to put on there or how that works and all that, because people are just doing whatever. Some's comedy, some's serious, some's animals, and then I see other people doing the same thing. 5 other people have done the same exact audio. I don't get it. And I saw people complaining that they have videos with a lot of views or a lot of followers, I guess they call them. And they're not real impressed by how TikTok can just suddenly just delete something. So I haven't really done much there either. I'm going to get around to it though. Eventually. Bye.